Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The St. Thomas family is torn between grief and gratitude after what began as an evening of celebration and usual the familial bonding ended fatally. Aaliyah Jemison, 17, of East Albion in the parish, was hit by a car on the weekend. Her older cousin has been hospitalized. Reports from the police are that about 9:10 p.m. on Friday, a grey 2010 Subaru Impreza motor car was being driven along Red Hills Main Road when, upon reaching a section of the road, the driver swung from another vehicle, hitting two pedestrians in the process. The police say both were seriously injured and rushed to Princess Margaret Hospital, where Jemison succumbed to her injuries the following morning. Her cousin was transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital where she remains admitted in serious condition. Commanding officer for St. Thomas, Superintendent Alison Byfield, said that the driver, who was breath tested following the incident, has been charged for driving under the influence of alcohol. He is 40 years old. Trace Josephs, of Red Hills in the parish. He has been booked to appear before the Yalas court on June 28. The investigation into the fatal crash is on the way. Meanwhile, recounting the events of last Friday, 29-year-old Tashika Robinson, cousin of Jemison and the other injured girl, said they had just finished celebrating the birthday of a family member when tragedy struck. One of our cousins just turned 4, so we bought ice cream, cake and brought some gifts for her round by the family yard. Aaliyah was inside on her phone and our other cousin, who is in the hospital now, called her and told her we were outside. We were accompanying someone home right after when a vehicle suddenly stopped in front of us and a man came out. It was in the night and we never knew the man, so we stopped and were about to turn back. Another car was speeding towards us and swerved out the car that had stopped in the road. By time I screamed to Aaliyah, who was on the other side of the road, the car had her already and was on its way to our other cousin who she was walking with. Robinson revealed that a patrolling police vehicle assisted them to the hospital, where despite the best efforts of doctors, Aaliyah died. Our other cousin's 2 legs are broken in different parts and she has multiple fractured ribs, Robinson said. Aaliyah's grandmother, who was admitted in the hospital a day before her granddaughter's sudden death, has not been taking the news well. She did an operation and lost one of her legs. So she has been in the hospital. She had Aaliyah from she was a baby. She taking it really hard. She can't come to terms with it, Robinson said. As the family continues to grapple with hurt from their loss, they are remaining faithful that the other injured member survives. My sister is hurt bad, but she's alive and that's the greatest thing because we already lost a sister 9 years ago, so I know what it feels like and I can't go back down that road, an older sister, 38-year-old Fiona Flakes, said. Everybody taking it hard. We try to ease off some tension by sticking together. We miss Aaliyah bad. Jovial girl well loved to dress up and look nice. The family can hardly manage the death of Aaliyah, we can't manage too, Flakes said. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day.